Do you know how many processes a PCBA goes through from design to finished product? Solder paste printing, component placement, reflow soldering, OE inspection. Every step must be flawless and precise. We show you through real footage. True manufacturing strength isn't boasted about. It's proven in action. PCBA manufacturing is like running a marathon. From solder paste printing to final testing, every step must be steady and precise. Missing a step, being off by a single step, means falling behind at the finish line. Fast Turn, your best partner.